This is the exciting Philippine Superbike Championship, the fastest race on two wheels here in the Philippines within the season closer of the Pirelli Patron Philippine Superbike Championship for 2023. There goes Aprilia racer Marvin Mangulabnan. We're going to double check on that one. Yeah, somebody in the dark racing suit is taking the race lead. This is Marvin Mangulabnan on the number 189 on the corkscrew ahead of TJ Alberto. How about that? Marvin Mangulabnan on the race lead right over here. And two of the Albertos on their Ducatis right at the back of the Aprilia of Marvin Mangulabnan. You are hearing that right, ladies and gentlemen. Pro Division racers, the fastest boys on two wheels. Oh! An unforced error by TJ Alberto! He slides on the carousel! Here we go. We're about to make way for the Philippine Superbike Championship season closer. This is going to be the race final over here. And what happened earlier during the pre-final, Marvin Mangulabnan was able to snatch the number one spot, giving him an opportunity for at least finish second or third to take the biggest trophy of the 2023 race season. Team Aprilia's MM189, they're revving it up, and they go for it. Oh, a hop going on for Troy. Fastest boys in the Pro Division. Oh! Wait a minute! Who was that? Is that Marvin Mangulabnan? Marvin and TJ got tangled up. Marvin and TJ got tangled up. Let's all give our hearts out to MM189 for that heartbreaking moment. Our hearts go out to Marvin Mangulabnan on such a heartbreaking incident earlier. He was so close to getting that championship title back to the side of Team Aprilia, back to the side of Marvin Mangulabnan. The closing round, round number 6 of the Patron MORAC.